kids, and welcome to Your Kids TV. Alexandra, say hi kids.
Hi, kids.
Hi kids, hi my friends. Today Alexandra is doing a very interesting activity. It's Easter tomorrow and we are going to dye some eggs. Are you ready to dye some eggs?
Egg. Let's have
Eggs. Yeah, we have a kit here. A little kit for dyeing eggs, which we're gonna open. Are we gonna open it? Let's do it. Let's open it. We're gonna open it and see what's inside. What's inside? Let's see. Ooh, we have a lot of interesting stuff in here. We have our dye tablets. Yeah, we're gonna use the different colors. We have those little spoons to dip our eggs. We'll bend them a little bit. We have stickers. Ooh, look how many stickers we have. I think 78 stickers together. We have wrappers and we have egg holders. Sticker, you want a sticker? Okay, which sticker do you want? You want the rabbit? Yeah, bunny. We want a pink bunny. Where do you want the sticker? Right here? Awesome. Alright kids, let's start. For that we'll need 5 cups. We have 5 cups and we're gonna put our tablets in there. Alright, look at all these colors. Let's open them. Open. We're gonna open them. Here we go. What colors are we gonna choose, Alexandra? What colors? Let's see. What color is this one? Which one is that? Blue. Put it in a cup. What color next? We're gonna take which color? Orange. Let's put it in a different cup. In this cup. Okay. What color are you gonna put in that cup? Pink. What color is gonna go in this cup? I think it's pink too, but we'll see. Maybe it's red. And this one is purple. Purple. That is ready. That is awesome. Now we need 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mom is gonna help you with that. 1. Wow, you see colors? 2. Don't touch. 3. 4. And 5. Awesome. Now we need some water. Are you ready? We're gonna add some water in our cups. 1. What color is that? Blue. Let's see. What color is this one? Blue. It's a dark blue. What color is that one? This one is orange. This one looks like pink. And what color is that? Yellow. Awesome. We're gonna set it aside. And we have our Easter eggs. Eggs. Do you know how many eggs in here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we have a magical marker. Oh, we dropped the egg. You gonna get it? Thank you. You get it? Look, we have a marker. We can draw on our eggs. Let me show you. Look, you can draw different designs. You can put circle, circle. You cannot see it right now, but when we dye it, we're gonna have all these designs. You wanna do your design on this one? Go. We cannot see it, but it's a magical marker. Sit. You wanna sit? Okay. You wanna do more designs on this one? Go. That's a magical marker, remember? There you go. Some designs on this one. Okay, can I borrow the marker? Mommy will do some designs here. And we will see them when we dye them. Alright, are you ready?
Ready.
Here's a spoon holder. We're gonna put an egg on this holder and put it in the die. See? Awesome! That's gonna be blue. How about purple? Let's put one in a purple. In a holder. Up! And this one, orange into orange. Awesome! One egg into yellow. Up! And one egg into the pink one. Up! And now we stir and wait. We need to wait for 5 minutes, my friend. 5 minutes. You want another sticker? What sticker do you want?
Papa.
What sticker do you want for Papa? That one? The Happy Easter sticker? Happy Easter? Okay, Papa, give us your hand. We're gonna give you a sticker. Is it for Papa?
For you.
Yeah, Papa has a
Thank you.
Happy
Thank
Easter
you.
sticker.
Thank you.
Mama.
And one for Mama? Okay, which one for Mama? This bunny? Okay. Can you help me put it? Here you go. Okay,
Mama.
can you put it on Mama? Need help?
Thank you.
Papa has a Happy Bunny sticker.
Oh, thank you.
Let's check out. Alright kids, while we're waiting, we can make this little dry tray. We have to dry our eggs. See? We're gonna take these little circles out. One.
Out.
Out. Yeah, we're gonna take them out. Two.
Out.
What shape is that, Alexandra?
Blue.
Circle.
Sure.
Circle. Three. 4, 5.
5.
Yes, we have 5 eggs, so we need 5 drying spaces. Okay, that is ready. And we can make little holders for our eggs. Holders, yeah, when our eggs dry out, we can make those holders for them. Look, you take this little strip and you clip.
Cut.
Cut, okay. And whoop, one. Look, what color is this one?
Pink.
Green.
Pink.
Pink? Next one is pink. Here you go, do the next one. It's for you. Do the next one.
And what?
Do the egg holder like that.
Mama.
Yes.
Papa.
Papa's gonna help.
Cut.
Cut, okay. You see, we don't need scissors for that. Alright, Alexandra. Where are you? Come out. Boom! You scared me. Come out. Let's take our eggs out. Come on, our eggs are ready.
Ready.
Eggs are ready.
Ready.
Ready. We're gonna take them out. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Let's take them out and put them on the tray. Are you ready? What color is that one? Pink. We're gonna take it out and put it on a tray to dry. Ooh, one is ready. What color is this one? Purple. Do you remember we made our designs with our magical marker here? Our designs, they're still here. Oh, we made little circles. What color is this one?
Orange.
Yellow. Yay! Remember Remember our designs? Here they are. Our little lines. You want to take the orange one? Go, help me. Take the orange one out. Go, 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 go. Orange.
Orange.
Awesome. What color is this one?
Blue.
Which one? Blue. And put it in a
Like green to me.
green. Okay, yeah, that's greenish.
Open. Open.
Awesome. We have 5 colored eggs. Now we put them in the on the drying rack.
Open.
And we dry them.
Dry.
We need 5 minutes for that. We can blow. Holders, Alexandra, holders.
Order.
Doing holders for our eggs. 1, 2 holders.
Order.
Holders. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need 5.
5.
We need 5 holders.
Hello.
Holders, holders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, are you ready?
Ready.
We need to put stickers on our eggs. What color do you like? What sticker do you want? Go. What color? Blue? You want blue? Well, this is green. Yeah, we don't have blue. It looks blue. Let's take this one. It's a pretty one. Can you hold it? And choose a sticker. You want pink bunny? And it's going right under the egg. Yay!
Alright.
And the second sticker?
Green.
Green bunny? On this one? Okay. And we have a holder. We can put it on the holder. Here you go.
No.
No? You have other plans? No holder? Okay, no holder. Choose another sticker.
Blue. Blue.
Blue? We don't have blue. Here you go. You want a blue bunny? Yes? Let's go blue bunny. Blue bunny. Here you go. Where? On the orange one or on the purple one? Let's go on the purple. Here you go. Pink, yes. Do you want this butterfly? Look, it's a yellow butterfly. You pink butterfly? Okay. Let's take a pink butterfly. Here you go. Goes on this egg.
Oh,
Here you
whoa.
go. Whoa.
Hi.
Hi. And look, I have a red bunny. Look, I have a red bunny. Red bunny. Here you go. We're gonna put it on this egg. And all our work is done here. Yeah. We have 5 eggs for Easter. Now what we can do? We can eat them. Do you want to eat eggs? You want to eat them? Yay! Thank you guys for joining us today. I hope you had fun. We had fun dyeing our eggs, and happy Easter. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Grown-ups, if your kids enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to your Kids TV channel. Make sure to click on the bell button to get notified when we post our new videos. If you enjoyed our content and would like to support us, please visit us at our Patreon website, patreon.yourkidstv.com. Parents, if you enjoy reading to your kids or your kids like reading books, you may purchase them at the link below, books.yourkidstv.com.